Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna go ahead and install the third brake light, fog light from my old Subaru, have it right here, to my new Subaru. I did just dismantled my car that one time I traded it in, so I just took it off of what connections it had on the other Subaru. I got the 4-plug harness from Speed, and on my other Subaru I didn't have the strobe effect, so I went ahead and ordered the strobe module so that every time I brake I get that strobe effect. So let's go ahead and throw it on the car, see how it looks. So for this one we're gonna go ahead and take off the clips from back here. It's 1, 2, and 3. And then we're gonna go ahead and dismantle this too so we can get a connection from the rear light. We're also gonna have to take off this cover. There's some clips on the bottom. I believe there's 4 or 5 clips down there that we just need to pull out, and that way we can pop this guy out. So let's get to it. All right, so we went ahead already and installed the fog light. That's what it looks like in there. Gonna just adjust it. There's 5 clips on the bottom. Installed the rack, we went ahead and mounted it, and then we went ahead and wired it through here. There's this little rubber seal. Poked a hole, wired it through here, brought it back out through here. Now we got it right here. So now what I'm gonna explain is how we went ahead and did the easy wiring, just real quick, so we can check out the whole strobe effect. Went ahead and looked up the video of how to adapt this module. This is the module, the GS100A is the module that allows your fog light to go get that strobe effect. You connect the red wire output onto the fog light's power, then the input red wire is going to go to the tail light, put them together. Then your black wire on the module goes with the ground on the fog light, and then this one goes by itself. This is the reverse light. This is the fog light that has 4 cables, so not all of them do. And this is why I went ahead and got this harness. I'm gonna go ahead and finish wiring this guy up. I'm gonna put tape all over it so we make sure that it stays together. So the output on the module, we're not going to use the ground, so we just want to make sure we cut it so the wires don't poke out, and then also you want to tape it just to be cautious. So that way this doesn't touch anything. Cool? Perfect. We're going to go ahead and plug this guy to the back light right here. Boom, and then you plug this connector to the main backlight.